Introducing DIY Seed Balls Making Kit by Human Birds International. Today, we're going to be unboxing and using the DIY Seed Ball Maker Kit. This kit is designed to protect our environment in a fun and engaging way. It's a great way to teach kids about the importance of planting trees and preserving the environment. So, let's dive in and see what's inside. This kit is available in 5 varieties: Amla Seed Balls Kit, Guava Seed Balls Kit, Lemon Seed Balls Kit, Neem Seed Balls Kit, and Portia Seed Balls Kit. Let's unbox. Inside the box, we have a pack of nutrient-rich soil, high-quality tree seeds, and a detailed instruction manual. Few seed balls for size reference. The pack of soil is compact, but it expands when you add water. The seeds come in a variety of species that are native to the region, making them perfect for growing a sustainable forest. Now that we've unboxed the DIY Seed Ball Maker Kit, let's talk about how it works. The kit includes everything you need to create approximately 100 seed balls, which you can then throw it in your garden or a nearby forest. Making the seed balls is easy and fun. I'm going to teach the complete making process. Let's begin. Step 1. Take a bowl or container, unpack the soil and put it in the container. Then, we have clearly mentioned in the instruction manual how much water we should add to the mixture. For this mixture, we are going to add 70 milliliters of water. We need to achieve clay consistency. We should be very conscious in this ratio. If we add more water, means the mixture will not be in clay consistency. To achieve clay consistency, add 70 milliliters of water, which is mentioned in our manual. And mix until you get thick clay consistency. For size reference, we have included few seed balls. Refer that ball size and make seed balls in suggested size. Then, we have clearly mentioned in the instruction manual how much water we should add to the mixture. For this mixture, we are going to add 70 milliliters of water. We need to achieve clay consistency. We should be very conscious in this ratio. If we add more water, means the mixture will not be in clay consistency. To achieve clay consistency, add 70 milliliters of water, which is mentioned in our manual. And mix until you get thick clay consistency. So now, we have achieved the clay consistency. This is perfect for making seed balls. Now our mixture is ready. Then, step 2. Take some amount of clay, then place the seed in the clay mixture, then roll the mixture like ball. Now we have got Portia seeds. Let's unpack the seeds. Then I'm taking a pinch of soil as mentioned in the manual, then place the seed in the soil, and roll the mixture like a ball. Our first seed ball is ready. Repeat the same process. Take a pinch of soil, place the seed into the mixture, then roll it like a ball. Simple. Step 3. Let the seed balls dry in a partial shade for 12 to 24 hours. Once seed balls are dry, it can be scattered in a garden or outdoor area where you want the plants to grow. No maintenance required. When it gets enough of moisture from rain and sunlight, the seed balls will start to germinate. Just throw and grow. This Human Birds International's DIY seed ball maker kit is an excellent product that promotes sustainability and gives the opportunity for the parents to spend joyful time with their kids by teaching the importance of protecting our planet. It's a great activity for families to enjoy together and makes for a unique and meaningful gift. I highly recommend this kit to anyone who wants to grow a sustainable forest while having fun in the process. Please check out the product link mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy seed bombing!